You know, Dr. Halima is has always intrigued me. He's quite an enigma, man. Um, he's what I call a man who does his own politics backroom job. He's a backroom boy for his own politics. You understand what I mean? He's a kind of a man who's always deadpan. He looks like he's lazy to talk. He's lazy to walk. It's like he gets forced to go to work. It's like when he talks in parliament, he's reluctant. He has been forced to do it. You know, he's that kind of a man. And you know that behind the whole facade, the actual man is a backroom boy of his own politics. He's a kind of a man. He's a kind of a man who always says, listen, I did this, I advised so and so, and he didn't take my advice. I advised so and so, and he took my advice. You know, he's a man I understand who said, you know, I talked to the comrade minister of sports about the brand of condom that he must be using. And there you get him having got himself into a broken condom. You know, and I also warned him about the kind of girls that he's mixing with. When I saw him with that girl, because, you know, I know these little ones, I said, well, watch out, man. Stay away from that little girl. I know these little girls. But he went on to do what he has done. You know, I always advise these people. Thabo Mbeki, for instance, I'm the one who advised him to give Winnie Mandela a backhand clap when she was getting Chachara. You know, I said, just give her a backhand clap, Thabo. I went to see him, you know, and discuss the whole story with him and prepared him for the whole action. You know, it's like Tokyo. You know, I said to Tokyo, to deal with this whole problem of open toilets, you need a senior citizen to have a tour, inspection tour on these toilets. You need to put somebody quite senior. You know, senior people, old people, you know, their immune system gets stronger with age. When they get older, their immune system also gets stronger. Get Winnie Mandela to do the open toilet tours, and you won't regret Tokyo. And he got Winnie, and Winnie is winning, as you can see. And she's quite tough. You know, the immune system is quite in order and everything else. And I always advise them. You know, even Thabo, before they recalled him, I went to Mahlamba, and it was a Friday. And you know, on a Friday, always a bottle of whiskey there. And I said, Thabo, they are going to recall you. What are you doing about it? Resign. Resign before they embarrass you. And he said there until they recalled him. Then, you know, I called Vusi Piccoli when I was in charge. I called him a week before he was actually fired. I said, baby, go and see your doctor, you know, let him go stabilize you, get some medication to stabilize you, because 1 week is too long for politics, you know. And I understand he went to see his doctor. And really, by the end of the week, you know what happened? I fired him. You know, I fired the man by the end of the week. But I'm a good man. I warned him in advance. Go stabilize your system, because the blow is coming, you know. And when I unleashed the blow, the man was ready.